Today, the district court, there was the inauguration of the Kendra services, which was inaugurated by the Chief Justice, Justice Datta, in the presence of Justice Anuja, Justice Naidu, and Justice Javalkar, besides the Principal District Judge, South Goa, and all the other judicial officers from the Margao courts. That after the inauguration of the Kendra services, the Chief Justice also inaugurated the court premises, which have been air-conditioned now. The Kendra services is going to provide a lot of relief to the lawyers as well as litigants, as now everything, the filings can be done online. Even in due course of time, you'll get all the full file will be able to be checked online. Once you're registered with the portal, you'll be able to obtain certified copies also online in due course of time. Now, this is a good step which has been good system which has been put in place, as it will make life very easy for the lawyers as well as the litigants. Now, besides the inauguration of both these things, we also had an interactive session with the Chief Justice and the other Guardian Judge of the Bombay High Court and Goa. We raised the issue regarding the change in the High Court timings, as it is not convenient to the lawyer as well as litigant from the extreme north and south of Goa. The Chief has told us that right now they're shifting the premises, and then probably a decision will be taken after the summer vacation. Besides that, we have also raised the issue regarding that there is no senior division judge court sitting in the Konkani taluka, as a result of which the lawyers and litigants have to travel to Margao when it is a matter regarding which has to be filed in a senior division. And we have suggested that instead of a junior division court in Konkani, a senior division court be established in Konkani taluka. Regarding the point evaluation system for judges, see, right now judges are evaluated on the basis of point system. Sometimes we feel that not all officers, but sometimes the quality of the judgment is compromised because they're more concerned with the disposal of the cases rather than the quality of the judgment. So we have the Chief has asked us to make a representation, which we will be doing shortly.